everyone, welcome back to my channel, and to all my Ghanaians, happy Independence Day. Happy Independence Day. Today is 6th of March, and exactly 57 years today was when Ghana gained independence. We were the first sub-Saharan African country to gain independence, and I believe we sort of paved the way for our neighboring countries to also fight for their own freedom. Our first president was called Kwame Nkrumah. As you can see, I have the Ghana flag on my lips. We have a red, a gold, and the green, and there's usually a black star in the middle, but you know, my makeup skills are not my favorite today. So firstly, the red represents the blood of those who died in the struggle for independence. The gold represents the country's mineral wealth, and the green symbolizes the country's rich forest. And the black star represents African freedom as well as the Ghanaian people. And to those of you that have had arguments with me about how can you be a black star? Stars aren't black. How can stars be black? How can they shine? Wow. Alright guys, so there's about 10 questions. Some of them are too like the official Ghana tag questions, and others I put them in myself because, you know, I'm cool like that. Question 1. Which part of Ghana are you from and what tribe? I am from the eastern region of Ghana, a place called Kede, and I am an Akan tribe. Question 2. Were you born in Ghana? Yes, I was born in Ghana that fateful day, 7th of January. I was born in Ghana. Actually, when I went to Ghana in 2011, Mom took me to the actual like ward I was born in and everything, so I could actually see like, alright, I was born here. Question 3. What is your Ghanaian name? For those who don't know, in Ghana there's a system where every day of the week has a name. So whatever day you're born on, you're like automatically given a name. So for me, I was born on a Friday, so that makes me Afia, and my male counterpart would be Kofi. So if you know any guys called Kwame, Kweku, Kwesi, you know they're definitely Ghanaians. And if you know any girls called Ama, Akos, Equia, you know they're Ghanaians too. Question 4. What are your favorite Ghanaian dishes? I would probably have to say something with beans. So red and wache. Red is like beans cooked with palm oil, and then you have like tons and tons of fried plantain on the side, and you can even put some gari on top of your beans. And then wache is like a mix of rice and beans together. And how you eat that, you'd have your wache, you'd have like this sweet tomato sauce, and then you'd have a spoonful of shito, which is like a hot sauce, a boiled egg, and a fried fish on the side. It tastes so good, that combination. That combination though. Jai. It's making me even tasty thinking about it. So the red and the wache would probably be like my first class. Like the first, if I had to pick anything, it would probably be wache and red. And then if I had more than those days where I'm like, I just want something small, like I'm not too bothered what I eat, or like just feeling a bit peckish here and there, then I would probably go for my soups with fufu. So my benkwang, my nkatikwang. Wait, nkatikwang is peanut soup. A benkwang, I don't even know how to explain it. How do I explain abe? My benkwang, my nkatikwang with soups would probably be like economy. So business class, first class, down to down to economy. Question 5. Show any Ghanaian attire or anything in your house that represents Ghana. So first of all, I do have quite a lot of Ghanaian clothing, but I'm just going to show you about 2 or 3. It's a blazer. It's like a little short sleeve blazer, and it's a peplum blazer, so it has the, you know, peplum bit at the bottom. I also have this maxi dress. It starts with a lace design at the top, and then it flows down. It's really long. It flows down to like the Ghanaian material. I have another maxi dress. This one is pink. It has a lot of ruffles right at the front here, and then it just flows down. I also have these high-waisted trousers that I got made in Ghana. I have quite a lot of Ghanaian fabric bags too, so I'll show you that. This is the first one. I'm sure this is called asas, I think, because it means that they've just taken strips of different cloths and put them into one design. And the second bag is this one. Other things that I have in my house that represent Ghana is this poster. I'm positive that 99.9% of all Ghanaians have this poster in their house. At the top, from Ghana at the bottom. This lady just having a pure good time, pouring her palm wine and just chilling in all our living rooms. And the last thing I'm going to show you is this African map. It says greetings from, and then Ghana at the bottom, and then it pinpoints where Ghana is. Ah, my nation, so small, so great.